You got hurry up. You watch me phone go off. It's another MC Burberry sound. Reebok, we bout to get down. I got 'em on my feet right now. I look dead hard when I walk through town.
So, you know, I can't actually afford swimming lessons, so what I have to do is I have to do this. What I do, I jump off this fresh whip, look at that thing. And then, you know, I run in like this. I just, you know, I just swim.
Hey,
Oi, what are you doing? I'm just trying to take a tinkle. Oi! This is my personal pool.
Some casual daily workouts for the local roadmen.
I don't want to get this masterpiece wet, so what do I have to do? Carry it through the whole English Channel. Oh, this is colder than last night. Like so.
Boys, what's your names?
My name's MC Colgate, but call me White Tea for any sense.
What are you saying Colgate, bro? Get out of here.
What?
Get out of here, fam.
What?
Alcohol fresh for life.
No, mate, you want to go?
What?
Yeah? Yeah?
Sorry about that inconvenience. So, how long have you been roadmen for?
7 years.
6 years, I'm a bit of a noob.
Is it bluff?
Okay, so do you have all the essentials, as they say, around this town?
I got my shank and my weeds at home.
And you? Do you
Yeah,
have it,
bro.
all of them?
They're all at home, man. Well, I got my like trackies out, but you know what I'm saying? But, yeah.
Trackies.
Yeah, bro.
Trackies.
We've got our mountain
What?
bikes outside.
What? You think you're hard, innit?
Stay there, boy. I'll beat you right up. So, do you have a ricer or do you have the essential bikes?
We have our whips outside, our mountain bikes.
Got them whips outside if you want to come take a look.
Yeah, let's go. What are you doing? Hey. So, are you the local roadman that I was speaking to earlier? Yep. Okay, so are these your bikes?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, classic Carrera. What have you got then?
High bike, I know, big man.
Okay, so do you have any tricks you can do?
Yeah, brother, got the essential wheelie in it, bro. Pop it up.
Can you show me that, please?
Watch this, bro.
Oh, wow.
Good fun.
Are you a learner? Yep, you're a learner.
Get out my way, bro.
If it's alright.